Welcome back, everyone. We're continuing playing Long Dark on difficulty of Stalker. Right now we're in the Canadian base, that's what I like to call it. And we're making our way to head to the dam. So, the reason why we're going there is because we have almost no food left. And we also need some more clothes. Of course, on last series, we got some clothes from fishermen cabins, which were really good. Like, for example, we got these socks, we got this hat, this scarf. They all are pretty good clothes, but we still need more to keep ourselves warm. So that's going to be our objective to reach the dam for this series. So let's continue. Okay, we're a little hungry. I think we can just like sleep a little bit. Let me see. Okay, we have this. We have pretty good stuff. Did I leave anything here? Empty. Nothing. Okay. So I think we could just sleep for a while. I mean, how many water we have? No. How many water? We have enough water. I don't know. I think we're gonna sleep for. We're gonna wait for like 2 hours. Right? Yeah, we're gonna get ourselves warm and good. That's enough. We're gonna. Oh no, I misclicked. I didn't mean to do that. Let's eat. Let's eat this. Okay, and then we're gonna head to the dam. Okay, good. We're just gonna drop this real quick, and this as well. Okay. So we are ready now. We even have the benefit from coffee. Okay. Oh boy, I hear the blizzard sounds. Is it actually blizzard? I mean, yeah, it's a blizzard. You know. Okay, we have a problem because it may not let us go there. Okay. What I would like to do is okay, I hear the blizzard. I hear the blizzard. We could repair our clothes or read. I don't remember which one's better. I mean, this one's lighter. Yeah, we'll harvest this one. We're gonna repair the other one. Action, repair, sewing. Okay. Looks like we're not. Never mind, we have 3. Oh yeah, and also we have a bedroll. Did I pick it up? What's that sound? This music is so scary. Like, why? Please no. Let's repair this one as well. Just a little bit. Oh, I forgot to repair this hat, looks like. Okay, that's what we're gonna do now. Okay, these are 3 gone. Okay, how many food do we have left? We don't have that much, we should go. If it's still blizzard, we're trapped here. We're kind of trapped here if it's still blizzard. I think it is. I hear the sounds of Blizzard. If it's Blizzard, that means okay. That means we're staying for a night. That's bad. That's really bad. It's not good. Not good. Not good. Okay, what we have to do? What do we have in our inventory that will help us to? Okay, this one's complete. Let's read this one, I guess. What else could we do? What else could we do? He's hungry. We have no food. I don't know, should we start the fire? I don't really think we should. But I don't know. I don't really know. Let's eat this one. Okay, let's read. Oh, look at this. We got the bonus. We got the no hunger for 3 days bonus. What's it called? The well-fed bonus. Okay. Hunting. Just reading some books before the night. Okay, we're gonna eat. Eat this because the sardines are not the best condition. Not in their best condition. Okay, and then we're gonna drink soda because it gives hunger as well. And we have some troubles with hunger right now. We're gonna drop the can. So, boom, boom. And sleep. So, okay. We need to be careful about calories. Okay, Aurora Borealis. We don't really need it. We don't really need it. Okay. Let's drink a little bit. Two hours will be just right. Yep, just right. Let's read for 2 hours. Okay. So what can we do? What can we do? Okay, we can transfer this one. Speaking of crafting, let's grab. And this one as well. Let's see what else we can do. We don't need that much. Drop like 4 of them, actually. Drop 2 more. Never mind. 3 more. Let's see if we have everything. Oh, look at that! Okay. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Okay, let's start the fire and then cook the... No oil. Let's start the fire and cook some potatoes then. Perfect. I didn't know I had potatoes. That's cool. That's good. Let's go. Add the fuel. Catter. Some sticks. Torches are good. I'm adding up this and some books because if I remember right, each potato is gonna cook for like an hour. Yeah. Just make sure to have water, be hydrated. And what else? What else? We could read a book. Yep. Because the fire gives us light for 1 hour. No. No, please, not another day. No. I don't know what to do if it's going to be for another day. Please, no. No, that's bad. No, it's going to be really bad. Oh my god, let us go, weather. Like, please. Please, weather. Let us go. Let us go. Cook. And then... Oh no, that's so bad. That's going to be so bad. Let's wait. Please. Looks like it's gone. Please. Actually, I don't know. I don't know if I can hear the blizzard or not. I think I can. Please, no. What is that? No. Oh my god. No. What am I meant to do in this situation? What am I meant to do in this situation? What am I meant to do? Is it still? I mean, why not? Oh, bro. It's so bad. I mean, we can repair, but not the point that I have to. I can't do anything. The point that I can't go anywhere. The point that I'm just trapped here. I have something to do, but I don't have enough food. No. What is that? I'm just trapped. I'm just actually trapped. What, like, what? What should I do? What should I do? If I could see at least anything, I would go there if I could see anything. But I just can't. Oh my god. It's so annoying. We gotta just wait, do something. Just do something.
Hope nobody needs this anymore.
Let's, I guess, harvest this shoes. And hope. I think it's gone. I think it's gone. I don't hear the sounds anymore. I think it's gone. Let's go. Yes, it is. I don't hear sounds. Oh my god. We're going as fast as possible. Because we need food. I mean, I can still see something. Okay, let's go. We're just trapped. We gotta go by this lines. It's cool. I forgot. But we gotta go. It's just we have to because we don't have any food. Okay, we were ready already, so we're good. Just in case. It's not a close walk, but we just have to. We just have to. I think it's calming down. Yeah, it did. It definitely did. Oh, yes. Let's go. What time is it? It's midday. Okay. It's kind of getting warmer, definitely. Definitely. Oh yeah, it's so warm now. Let's go! We're saved. We're saved. Oh, jeez. We're saved. We're saved. Yes. Okay. Okay, there's a wolf. There's a wolf. Gotta be careful. Gotta pay attention to that wolf. Oh, there's still them. Okay. Let's not use the... Let's use flare. Let's use flares in case. Okay. Nah, now I'm just trapped. Okay, so we use the flare. Kinda good, because it should be enough to go to the dam or complete way. But like we wasted one. I'm pretty sure there is a bunch of them on the dam, but can we get the instruments like a knife? I know here it can't spawn here. It can, but I'm just not lucky enough. A big white little dog. What you gonna do, huh? Okay, that is... I can see fences of it. I can see fences. Y'all think there's moose? I mean, the spawns have changed. Spawns have changed, but do you think there's moose? Like, there's a chance that moose is gonna spawn under the bridge. Do you think there is one right now? I don't know. He was running. I don't think there's one. What's that? That's a deer. Oh look, there's a dead deer. Oh, is that a bear? Or was that? Oh, no. Okay. That looked like a bear. I don't know why. I just got scared. There's a bear.
What have we here?
Eventually we'll find the camera. Dog message and note. Here text. A new cave has opened up to Milton near the old Trappers place. Earthquake? Okay. We know where that cave is. We do know. I do know. That means you do as well. Oh, look at this. These are the good ones, remember? They're not the best, but they're good.
That'll come in handy.
Oh my god, snow pants are one of the best pants ever. And we got so lucky there. Because we do really need them. Oh, and they're an 82%. Oh my god, how good is that? But could be better. Nothing. I mean, could be. There are still stuff that are better, but still. This is good. I'm happy. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go to the second trailer. Let's hurry. Oh, look at that. I'm not gonna borrow them for right now, but just gonna leave them here. Because these are the blue ones, they're
I could
not,
use
oh
this.
yes. Yes, we got the pails. That means in case something happens, we can eat the food that's bad. Oh, matches are always good. Matches are good. There's more food.
Could end up being useful.
Yeah, this one's locked. We gotta remember that here's the locked one. Yay, it's another bar. Okay, more food. Yes, we're getting close. We're getting close.
Hope I can still
I mean,
eat
we're
this.
getting close. Close. Huh. My bad. Okay. So we looted this one as well. Let's go to the imp. Hey, we're living better now. Let's go. We got way more clothes. Look, it's only one arrow goes down on temperature. How cool is that? That's so cool. Is there deer? No, there's no deer. Usually there's dead deer spawns, but not today looks like. Okay. Is there ammos? What about here? Is there something here? No, doesn't look like. Okay, we made we made it. We made our objective for today is to reach the Amber. And next, I think in next video we're gonna loot the dam and just I don't know, maybe we'll find rifle and hunt some wolves down in order to get the cloth out of them. But it's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Please watch other videos if you haven't, because that way you won't understand what happened before and how the boy managed to get here. Thank you so much for watching again, and have a great day.